How to fix the Hulu app not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get Hulu back up and running when it stops working on your device. First, go to your home screen, long press the Hulu icon and tap App Info. After that, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache, followed by Clear Data right after. From there, reopen Hulu and see if the issue is gone. Right here, if it's still acting up, go back to App Info, tap on Battery, and set it to Unrestricted. At this point, tap on Permissions and make sure all the necessary permissions are turned on. Moving on, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop before reopening the app. Following this, open the Play Store, search for Hulu, and update it if an update is available. From here, if Hulu is still not working, open the Settings app, tap on Apps, find Hulu from the list, and tap Uninstall. Once done, press and hold the Power button until the Power menu appears and tap Restart. Finally, once your device is back on, head to the Play Store, reinstall Hulu, sign back in, and check if everything is working as it should. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Hulu app on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you're always the first to know when we upload. See you in the next one.